Yeah, I remember you cursed.
Oh.
The next play I called Lit. Yeah, Steve Rush. And I knocked the
Hey,
crap
guys.
out of QB, and Mr. Cedeno recovers the fumble. What a man! What a man! Yeah. Then we pull a double reverse. Bernadette takes it, turn the corner, then coming right at him. My team is two kickers.
Good
That
night,
was huge. I figure, hell, somebody didn't bring down that
Say something, Bud.
decent good box. All of a sudden, like out of nowhere. Out of nowhere.
Come on down here with Bud, Dixie.
All right, down. Yeah, who
Look
was
at
that?
movies.
Busterman, right? Yeah. Great blockbuster. Man. Well, we took it down. There's nothing but sweet green
And
grass
this is
between us
shoot
and
on
the
it.
championship. I tell you something, when Broadneck crossed that goal line, I wanted to run out there and give him a great big wet chip.
What's hi there.
Yeah.
It's probably a big deal. Oh.
Listen, I had to use some bologna I found way back in the...
Look at that beautiful bird. Who's that sexy boy?
Stay away from
You
that.
having fun, Bud? Say happy holidays. Dixie's busy up there.
What are you talking about?
My big block. For some reason he thought it was Busterman, and the guy from the Alumni magazine threw it down.
Well, what does Busterman say?
Nothing. Just stop it. You know what I mean?
Well, why don't you say something?
Well, like what? What do I say? Oh, yeah, I'm the guy who made the big block, not the guy who'll never walk again.
All right, honey, it's over. There's nothing you could do about it. Just forget it.
Happy birthday to you.
Don't figure on getting many more of
What are
them,
you gonna do, Bud?
especially considering the amount of TV I watch.
Beautiful bird on it. Look at my beautiful
I
Bud.
don't know how you feel. I really do.
Where you going, Evan?
But you've done something a lot, you know? You lost
You
something.
like being on camera?
Something you still have.
You like making movies?
Maybe giving him this moment, you know, makes his life a little bit more bearable.
It was my block. All right, fine. I should tell him. I mean, handicapped people are always saying how they don't want to be treated differently, right?
I guess so.
So really, how